Hey everybody, we're back. Okay, today I am going to talk about the media and new religious movements, and that is also the topic for your assignment too. So let's get that out of the way first. Once again, some students are reporting that they haven't received their readers. Now, if you go to my UNISA, I put up a message there saying where else you can get that information. It means a bit of downloading and a bit of going to the library. Right at the end of that message, you see that there's another reader which has many of the same articles in it, and the rest you can download. So, just read that message and see what you can do. In the first semester, we had a topic on NRMs and violence. In this semester, there's a topic on NRMs and the media. And on top of that, for those who haven't received any study material, I've created a third one, which you'll see on my UNISA in the announcement, on brainwashing. Now, I suggest you do the proper official one on new religions and the media. But if you send me an assignment on any of those three topics, I'm going to mark it. Okay? So, having gotten that out of the way, the media. That section in your study guide was written by an academic, not me, but it was written by an academic. And, well, I get this stuff back from you guys, semester after semester, and I can see that what's happening is that, you are being slanted against the media and for the academics. The media only want to make money, and they only want to emphasize the sensational, which is true enough, whereas the scholars are disinterested and objective. Are we really? Be a bit critical on that. Scholars also have their interests. If you're a senior lecturer and you write some juicy articles on NRMs, you can make associate professor. Now, how is that different? So, take that material in your reader and in your study guide and try to be a little bit critical of it. And if you go on YouTube, then you'll find lots of videos with scholars, academics who are not so objective about NRMs. Contrary to popular opinion, professors are people. We have our own biases. We try, but we don't always succeed in not making it. Now, we had to prescribe something, of course, and the prescribed articles about NRMs in the media focus heavily on the Waco massacre. And if you want to use those, of course, that's the official syllabus. I can't fault you for it. But if you want to just impress me a little bit, go and look for something recent, something contemporary. You'll find it. Go and find reports on new religious movements by different people in different kinds of media, and see if they differ from what academics have to say. Now, do a little research of your own. Okay, so for exam purposes, there will be a question on this, but it will probably be very general, something pretty close to the assignment topic, most likely. We don't want you to memorize these things in your reader. That wouldn't be of much use. Okay, so short little video this week, and I will see you next week, and we'll talk about the next study unit.